How to view starred messages in WhatsApp on Android. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and let's get started. First thing first, go ahead and launch your WhatsApp application from your device. As you do so, you have to make sure that you are logged into your WhatsApp account number. Then tap on the Chats section on your bottom left-hand side. You will see a page like this. In here, you will also see a three-dot icon on your top page. Tap it. Likewise, tap on Starred Messages. Once done, it will show you all the messages that you have starred. In my case, I have none. So in your case, it might be different. And in case you would like to start a new message, here is what you should do. You have to tap and hold on any messages in any chat to start it, so you can easily find it here. Now guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.